Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the 10 best ways to improve your eye vision naturally. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain, enhance focus, or protect your eyes from damage, we've got you covered with simple, effective tips that anyone can follow. From eye exercises and nutrition to proper lighting, we'll walk you through step-by-step methods to keep your vision sharp and healthy. Stick around to discover how you can boost your eye health, prevent long-term issues, and maintain clear vision for life. 10 best ways to improve your eye vision naturally. Simple steps for clearer vision. Number 1. Eye exercises. Benefits. Strengthen eye muscles. Reduce eye strain. Improve focus and concentration. Enhance visual reaction time. What to do? Hold a pencil at arm's length and focus on it. Slowly bring the pencil closer to your nose while keeping it in focus. Move it back to arm's length and repeat 10 times. Perform this exercise daily for better eye muscle coordination. Number 2. Eat vision-boosting foods. Benefits. Provide essential nutrients like vitamin A. Reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Prevent cataracts. Support overall eye health. What to do? Add leafy greens, spinach, kale, to your meals. Include colorful vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes. Eat fatty fish like salmon for omega-3s. Snack on nuts, seeds, and citrus fruits daily. Number 3. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Benefits. Reduces eye fatigue. Improves eye comfort. Helps maintain focus. Decreases risk of digital eye strain. What to do? Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen. Focus on an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Repeat this regularly while working on screens. Set reminders to maintain consistency. Number 4. Wear sunglasses outdoors. Benefits. Protects from UV damage. Reduces glare and squinting. Prevents eye aging. Lowers risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. What to do? Invest in sunglasses with 100% UVA/UVB protection. Wear them every time you go outside during daylight. Choose wraparound styles for added protection. Avoid looking directly at bright light sources. Number 5. Keep your eyes hydrated. Benefits. Reduces dry eye discomfort. Enhances tear production. Prevents eye infections. Improves clarity of vision. What to do? Use artificial teardrops if needed. Blink more frequently, especially when using screens. Drink enough water throughout the day. Avoid overly dry environments or use a humidifier. Number 6. Limit screen time. Benefits. Reduces eye strain. Prevents blurred vision. Lowers the risk of developing computer vision syndrome. Helps maintain healthy eye moisture levels. What to do? Set screen time limits for daily use. Take breaks after every hour of screen work. Adjust screen brightness and contrast to comfortable levels. Use blue light filter apps or glasses if necessary. Number 7. Get regular eye checkups. Benefits. Early detection of vision problems. Helps prevent progression of eye diseases. Ensures optimal eye health. Updates prescription if needed. What to do? Schedule an eye exam every 1 to 2 years. Mention any symptoms like blurred vision or headaches to your doctor. Follow through with prescribed glasses or treatment plans. Keep track of your eye health history. Number 8. Maintain a healthy weight. Benefits. Reduces risk of diabetes-related eye issues. Prevents high blood pressure, which can harm the eyes. Lowers cholesterol, reducing eye health risks. Supports overall vision health. What to do? Follow a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Exercise regularly to maintain a healthy weight. Limit your intake of processed foods and sugars. Monitor your weight regularly. Number 9. Use proper lighting. Benefits. Reduces glare and strain on your eyes. Improves focus and reading ability. Prevents discomfort from overly bright or dim lighting. Enhances visual comfort during activities. What to do? Ensure proper lighting while reading or working. Use adjustable lamps that provide direct light. Avoid fluorescent lights. Opt for warm, natural lighting. Position your light source behind you to reduce screen glare. Number 10. Quit smoking. Benefits: reduces risk of cataracts, prevents macular degeneration, improves circulation to the eyes, lowers risk of dry eyes. What to do? Seek professional help or join a support group. Gradually reduce your smoking habit if quitting immediately is hard. Use nicotine replacements if needed. Stick to a plan and monitor progress to stay smoke-free. Thanks for watching. We hope these 10 tips to improve your eye vision help you take better care of your eyes and keep your vision sharp. Remember, small changes like practicing eye exercises, following a healthy diet, and taking regular screen breaks can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Stay tuned for more content to help you live